Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to write fractions in Microsoft Word. Write fractions in Microsoft Word allows users to write fractions in the correct format, such as half or a quarter. By using this feature, fractions can be displayed in a neater and easier to read form, both in plain text and in mathematical formulas. So how to write fractions in Microsoft Word? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, position the cursor where we will add fractions. Then tap the Insert menu. And then drag the cursor to the right of the screen. And tap Equation. Tap Insert New Equation. And a selection menu will appear. Tap in Fraction. Then the fraction option will appear. For example, I choose this. And then, tap the top and bottom, change as needed. Fractions can also be changed font size. Can also be highlighted. Can be changed text color. Can be bolded. Can also change the font style. And various others like regular text. Write fractions in Microsoft Word makes it easy to write fractions in a neat format, for a clearer display. Okay, so that's the tutorial for writing fractions in MS Word. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.